Hello everyone, welcome to another video of FFL 24/7. Today we have a very little known compact SUV for you to review, and this is called Nissan Ariya. So if you remember, Nissan has played in the past with the electric cars. So if you remember Nissan Leaf, that used to be one of the very popular ones and they discontinued it later on. And now looks like Nissan is getting back into the EV space with their new Nissan Ariya. So taking a look at the front, I'm fairly impressed the way they have redesigned this whole front. The nice digital and elegant design for the headlights and daytime running lamps, the beautiful Nissan logo in the middle, and since this is an electric SUV, this does not have the air vents for the engine going through. And I'm kind of very much in love with the way they have designed these LED headlamps, and look at how beautiful these lights are. And they are going to give you a very beautiful look when you're looking in the back mirror. This car is coming for you, and beautiful daytime running lamps, fog lights, and the rims and wheels. I'm not a big fan of how these electric SUVs design their wheels, but it is what it is. And as we go to the side view mirrors are equipped with the blind spot traffic alert. And as you move towards the back, again I am a little bit impressed the way they have designed the back as well. The cutting edge and that kind of a digital look to the back LED lights as well, and the Nissan printed a beautiful logo in the middle that I think gives the car a refreshing kind of look, you can say, and the Ariya badging also on the bottom left corner. Let's take a little bit closer look at the back LED lights. So I'm very much in love the way they have designed the lights. So you see the digital lights all the way kind of slightly merged back into the Nissan logo. And this gives the car a little bit of alienistic look. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. You can open the trunk by pressing this little button below this Nissan logo. And since this is all electric, you don't have to do anything manual. It opens on its own since this is all electric and power assist. And looking at the trunk space, it is actually not bad. It's very impressive space, but it just does not have a lot of height. They do have a little bit of storage when you lift this lid a little bit. It's not a whole lot, but at least something you can store some stuff in. There is another section of the lid that you can open to have access to some amount of extra space. Not sure what you can use it for, but I guess it is something. And some little bit of extra side storage space that you can use for some of your tools if you want to carry on your ride. And to close the trunk, you can just simply press this button and it will close on its own, all electric assist. And again, I love the design of the back LED lights cutting through the Nissan logo. Some more very beautiful back brake LED lights merged with the top spoiler, if you can see. So I'm very excited to check inside how the interior of the car looks. I hope you guys follow along. So let's go ahead and check the interior of the car. So opening the door, I was pleasantly surprised looking at the side doors. I mean, they have not done anything very fancy, but just enough and reasonable and decent to give you all the options that you're going to need, with 2 power seatings and standard controls to control your side mirrors and your windows. And the car also do come with power assist for the driver and 4-wheel lumbar support, which is actually pretty cool if you're going on some long drives. Some information about your tire pressure system is also mentioned as usual for any cars on the side. And a very beautiful illuminated Ariya logo welcoming you as you enter the car. So let's get ourselves seated into the driver's seat and get the first-hand experience of how will be the driving experience for us. So if you look at the steering wheel, I'm kind of in love with this new beautiful design with the Nissan logo in the middle and a slightly flat steering wheel from the bottom, giving you a better maneuverability and handling. And you're looking at the 12.3 inches of the main display that goes through all the way to the center console. And the design of the dashboard is pretty simple and basic. It kind of gives me a feeling of like a PC computer with a power button, and everything else is just illuminated touch sensitive controls for your AC vents and all that stuff. So let's open the side dashboard. I mean, the space is not very impressive, but I guess it does the purpose to do some basic stuff. Some ambient lighting on the side doors, and just enough space to store some of your accessories and a bottle of water. And looking at the center console, I kind of have a mixed feeling about this with this polished wood design with the touch sensitive illuminated controls again. And you can open this little cover that gives you access to the two cup holders. And the gear is, I mean, just okay. Let's take a look at the center console storage space, and I was kind of honestly shocked that there is no storage space, or unless I couldn't figure out maybe, but it does seems to have like a charging space for your phone, but that's about it. So let's close this lid, back up. The seats do have a premium look with leather stitching and heated and ventilated options for the front passenger seats and the driver seats. And the car also do come with a full moonroof. That is a pretty cool feature that many people now like to have with the modern cars. So just an overall view of the back seats, how it looks. The leg space is actually not bad, very impressive, and the same good quality premium leather seating in the back you're getting. So that's just an overall interior view of the car. And coming back to the steering wheel, you do have some standard controls to control your audios and stuff. Some more ambient lighting at the bottom that you're getting, and just enough leg space for a comfortable driver experience. So let's go ahead and check how the back passenger seats of the car looks. Again, looking at the side door, it's a very standard and basic design with just enough storage and some speakers, and just to control the windows up and down option. The seats do appear to have a little bit of recline option for the back passengers with a center console for storage. So I am 5'11". I still have the front seat adjusted for me, and I do have enough legroom for me in the back. But do remember, this car has a compact SUV design, so you're not gonna get a whole lot of big experience that you get in big SUVs. So back passengers also get their individual AC vent controls with also heated seat options in the back for passengers, and USB-C and regular USB charging, which is actually a pretty cool feature. Just an overall view from the back, how the front looks. This is the whole beautiful moonroof that you're going to be getting with the car. And just a look at the back. This is covered with the lid of this. Again, this car does not have a lot of height, so again, you're not getting a lot of storage space in the back trunk. So the standard buttons for controlling your moonroof and regular sunglass holder and auto dimming a square shaped rear view mirror. So that's about it, viewers. We're coming to the conclusion of the review of this beautiful Nissan Ariya car. So this particular trim is the Nissan Premier SUV, and this trim has an advertised MSRP of 56,610, which I kind of feel is a little bit on the higher end. So if they have to have some competition in the market, I think they will have to price their cars a little bit more competitively. So I hope, viewers, you liked the review of this Nissan Ariya car. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.